Hey guys, it's Marley from Kale and Krunches. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with Steph Gee of Gee Beauty Studio. If you watched our earlier video, she showed me how to do my makeup in a super natural, amazing way. I mean, let's be honest, have I ever looked this good? Don't answer that. But one thing that I always say is I only knew how to do my makeup one way. Whether I was teaching a workout class, going to a wedding, or doing a professional photo shoot, my makeup was the same. I mean, you're probably cringing inside.
We're here to learn.
We're here to learn. So today Steph is gonna show me how to take my look from day to night and show me some tips and tricks. I'm really excited.
Okay, so this is an amazing base. You've been wearing your makeup for a couple of hours. We're gonna build on top. I'm gonna work you through the full face, but again, I'm gonna start with your eyes, work down into the skin, and then finish with the lips. Also, because Marley's going out tonight, we're gonna put on a false pair of lashes, which are very hard to put on your own. I just wanna say, I will teach you how, but it's always good to get them done by someone else. I'm gonna build on the eyeshadow that you originally put on this morning. So we're just gonna add a little bit more, which is the 03 highlighter. So what I'm gonna do is just sweep across your lid. Next, and don't be nervous, we're gonna play with the dark shadow. So the thing with eyeshadow and doing your eye makeup at night is everybody thinks you have to use 12 different colors. Again, because I love dual action, I'm all about using one color, but really gently. So I take a little bit of a black shadow on a flat, fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pat it into your eyelid. So I don't take the black underneath the eyebrow, and I very gently dust into your crease.
It's so easy.
Next, I'm gonna use a gray pencil. So again, I'm trying to avoid black because we're gonna layer the black with your mascara. So I'm gonna use this color, it's called Mystic. It has a slight bit of shimmer in it, but it's gray. And I'm gonna go over the green that we did earlier this morning and go slightly thicker. And because we're doing a nighttime look, I'm gonna do a little bit on the bottom, so look up to the sky for me. So when I do the bottom lashes, I just brush the lashes.
So sexy.
So sexy. So next we're gonna put some lashes on Marley. I'm gonna do the baby wispies from Ardell. They're really sexy and they end up just making your eyelashes look more dense as opposed to super long. Now I'm going to take a little bit more eyeliner, again the Mystic, and I'm going to go on top, close. And the white that you see is just the glue drying. And next, to blend them that much more together, I am going to curl the lashes again, and I'm going to do the same like earlier today where I'm going to clamp them gently. Next, we're gonna do some mascara, just a very light coat, again, to blend them all together. So, because this is your nighttime look, I'm gonna just highlight the brows a little bit more, just intensify them by going on top of what you've already done. So, because we're taking this look from day to night, I am gonna use a little bit more of a full coverage concealer. The one that I used earlier today is very light and does give good coverage, but now we're gonna go with something a little bit more full coverage. So I'm gonna take the same brush that we used earlier for concealing and blend. We're gonna come back with our sun beige powder to set the makeup. So just making sure we press it into the skin. to ensure for long-lasting coverage, especially if you're going to a wedding outside or you're dancing a lot. We want to make sure that you're nice and powdered. We're gonna come back with a little more highlight bronzer with our fan brush. So this, we're gonna really focus up your cheekbones, along your jaw, and then we're gonna also do your chest. If you are showing your chest, it's always nice to put highlighter just on the clavicle bone right there, so it creates sexy definition. Now, this is gonna look super bright, but this is our color stick in Playful. What's nice is that when you're in photos at night, sometimes you get washed out with using flash. So we wanna give you a little extra color. So we're using something a little bit brighter. And again, we're gonna blend up and down. Last but not least, we're gonna do your lips. So I'm gonna be using a lip pencil called Holly Berry. Something nice with a little bit more of a berry undertone to give you a little extra definition. We're gonna use our best-selling pink in Hello Gorgeous. And again, very moisturizing, contains vitamin E, so the lips get nice and hydrated. And last but not least, we're gonna do a little bit of a lighter pink gloss. This is called Super Femme, also one of our best sellers. And I just do a little bit in the center. And that is our nighttime look.
Wow, it's amazing.
So this is a great look when you're going out, going to a wedding, going to a party. If you wanted to go out for dinner but amp it up a little bit, you do the exact same thing without the lashes. And then when you want to take off the lashes tonight, it's just like a little sticker and they just peel off.
Amazing.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Steph.
My pleasure.
Taking my look from day to night. So easy, so simple. Dual action is the theme. Thank you so much. Let everyone know where they can find you.
Yes, so you can find me at G Beauty Studio on Instagram, or my personal Instagram is Steph Gee Beauty.
Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks, Steph. Mwah.